Hello, today we will guide you through how to insert logo in Linktree. To get started, open your Linktree admin page. This is where you manage the content, appearance, and overall setup of your Linktree profile. Once you're in the admin area, you'll be able to access the customization settings needed to add your logo. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into your account first so you can make changes to your page. After you've entered the Linktree admin dashboard, look for the design section and click on it. The design area is where Linktree lets you customize how your profile looks to visitors. This includes things like colors, layout options, and the profile visuals that appear at the top of your page. Since a logo usually appears in the profile or header area, this is the section you'll need. Once you're in design, click on Header. The header settings control the top portion of your Linktree page, which is typically the first thing people see when they visit your profile. This area often includes your profile image, title, and other branding elements, so it's the right place to update or insert a logo. Next, scroll down and look for the Profile section. Take your time here because depending on your screen size or any updates to the Linktree interface, this section may be a little farther down the page. The Profile area is where you'll usually find the image settings connected to your public-facing account identity. If your goal is to use your logo as the main visual for your Linktree, this is the part you want. When you find it, click on Upload Image or GIF. This will open the upload option so you can select your logo file from your device. Choose the correct image you want to use, ideally a clear, high-quality version of your logo for the best appearance. In most cases, a square image works especially well for profile displays, so keep that in mind if you're preparing your file ahead of time. After the upload finishes, your logo should appear in the profile area of your Linktree header. If needed, give the page a moment to process the image and display the update properly. It's also a good idea to preview your Linktree afterward to make sure the logo looks clean, centered, and easy to recognize for visitors. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a logo in Linktree.